Um, Today is the day we release 4 orphan barn owls back to the wild, and they're right there, and they're doing quite well, and they're completely wild, and they've been feeding themselves, so we're ready to rock and roll. And here's the fun part of my job. You need to hold the door. You get the kennel, open the door a little bit so I get the kennel in. Okay, close the door. There we go. Hey guys, how's my babies? Huh? Yeah, I know. I know. What's going on? You're the first volunteer. Very good. Come on, sweetie. I got you. We got you, sweetheart. There we go. Now the secret is, watch out for the feet, because that's what they're going to hurt you with. Hi, click, click, click. Yes, I know. You are so vicious and you want to bite me. That's wonderful. You guys are ready to go home. You get to go back to the wild where you belong, and that's your home, huh? Okay, there's one. And you're number 2. Okay. Home. It's going to be good to get rid of you so we don't have to pay for feeding you anymore. Okay, let's give you. There you go. Okay, that's the first 2. Okay, Sue. And let me hand these out. Bring this one in. Okay. And now the second 2. Hi, guys. Are you ready to go, babies? Are you? Should we grab you next? Yes, we should grab you next. That's a sweet. Yes, you are. Oh, look at those vicious little owl. Yes, you are. You vicious little owl. Back is beautiful, beautiful owls. There you go. And one more. You're the last. Hey, sweetie, come on. Come on down. Come on, sweetheart. We got you. Yes, we do. We got you. Come on down. Oh, there's my baby. There's my little baby. There you go. Okay, next stop, the wilds of southern Utah. Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Martin Tyner, and we're with the Southwest Wildlife Foundation, and we're the group that rescues the injured wildlife in the building of the Cedar Canyon Nature Park. And today I've got 4 young barn owls. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get the first one going. Hi, babies. Who's my first volunteer? Okay, little ones. Yes, I know. Oh, we got you. You're the volunteer. You're the one that's come out first, and we got you. There we go. There really is nothing in the world more beautiful than a barn owl. Look at how beautiful, pure white undersides, golden color on the back, those beautiful black eyes that are designed to collect light. You see how the face is kind of dish-shaped, has a right and a left dish? Well, that dish shape collects sound. It helps to amplify the sound, so they have really, really good hearing and tremendous night vision. And you see these feet? These are some of the sharpest claws on the planet. And so these are absolute razor blades. Okay, now what I'm going to want you to do, we have to control those feet. That's the big thing. And I want you to hold the feet just like I've got them here, so that you've got it. So you've got that's as long as they're pointed away from you, you're safe. Now they can bite. It'll pinch, but it's not really going to hurt you. And so what I want you to do is I want you to hold the owl basically with your hands on its back and its feet like this, and then you walk over, and then when you're ready, you just throw it away.
Okay, who's staring at me?
Yes, they do. Okay, get those feet. That's the most important thing. Okay, and the truth of the matter is, this is a wild owl. He doesn't like you.
Right.
And that's good. We want them to be that way. That's extremely good, because we want them to go back to the wild and stay as far away from people as they possibly can. So we're going to come over to this low spot. And then whenever you're ready, just throw him out into the field and let him fly away.
So which do you release first? The feet, I'm assuming?
Oh, together, just
Together.
go. There he goes. Now what I want you to do is I want you to hold both feet right there, okay? And I want to put your hands right on its back, just like that, okay? Okay, so bring your right hand over, grab both those feet right there. It's a wild animal. You have to be tough.
I'm not being scared. I just
Okay,
don't know.
come with me. And when you're ready, just throw. And there she goes. Very good. And again, you are the last person on the planet to ever touch that owl. Is that cool?
Yeah, you got to see it.
There you go. Hi, guys. How's my babies? You're going to be the volunteer, huh? Okay, we got you, sweetie. I got you. There we go. Okay, you're my next volunteer?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Get those feet. That's the thing I always worry about. Get the feet nice and good. Got them? Okay. And the hand on the back. And you are now ready to go release that beautiful owl.
I know you're saying. Don't move, you guys.
And there he goes. Says, I am out of here. Oh, you're going to be a screamer. That's wonderful. We love that. Isn't that a beautiful sound? Now, the sound that you were just hearing, that is his threat that I'm going to kill you. And that's again wonderful. We like them to be as wild as possible. Yes, I know you just hate me to no end, you poor thing. I am just the evil person. Can you imagine going into an old barn or going into that old building over there, and it's the middle of the night, and it's a little spooky anyway, and all of a sudden you hear that sound, and you see this ghostly white thing glowing as it kind of silently flies around the building. Here's your ghost, guys. The vast majority of times when people think they've seen ghosts, it's a barn owl. And isn't that just the prettiest little thing? Yes, you are.
Do they change colors in the winter?
Well, actually, no. I know. Okay, same thing for you. You got to get those feet. Put your hand on the back. Hold it like this. Okay, so get the feet. Hold on to those. That's what. Get the hand. Don't. Yeah, got to hold them. You're not holding them. You got to hold those feet. If those feet come loose, you're in trouble. Okay, there we go. So come on over to the wall. Come on over this way. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay. Then when you're ready, just throw it into the air and let it fly away. And there she goes. Right to the trees. For our 4 volunteers, let's give them a hand for releasing those owls. Thank you so very much. And please understand, you are the last people on the planet to ever touch those animals. So that's a very special event. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please come to our website, gowildlife.org, and see all of the animals that we do rescue. And if you get a chance, go up to the Cedar Canyon Nature Park and see the work that we're doing up there. And if anybody does have an interest, I do have flyers, and I do have copies of my book, Healer of Angels, if anybody would like to buy a copy of our book. It's a fundraiser to help us raise money for the rescue. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you for doing
You bet.